Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. Today's little offering, Yale 851. So not a particularly taxing keyway. Solid brass. Bitting isn't terribly drastic, but number 5 here is actually very high at the back. Can be a little bit awkward to get to. So all in working order. Key retaining. So if you give me a minute, we'll get it in the vise and give it a go. Right, here we go again. All working. There's the bitting again. Right, we're starting off with a 0.8mm Mad Bob's straight tension wrench and number 7 Peterson hook in 15 thousandths. Start at the front, see what we can get. Nothing on 1, 2 and 3. Right, 4 is binding. It doesn't want to go anywhere. 5. 5's gone up but not really done much. 4 again. Getting some counter rotation. Right, there was 1. We got a very tiny little click out of 1. Nothing on 2. 3, 4, 5. Nothing really seems to be right. We've got a bit of counter rotation on 4, but nothing's really happening with it. Alright, 1. Another little click on 1. I'm just going to try. I've got an SS Dev pick here. It's definitely, there we go, that was 2. It's too fat to get to the back. But we managed to get 2, which is a very high set pin. And we got a slight turn on the core. And now 3, struggling with that one again. Oh, I think that was 4. That's given us a very deep full set. And we've got counter rotation on 5. But come on, come on. Don't seem to be able to get it quite high enough. There we go, yes. Ooh. So we have an open. Let's drop that down there. Just the camera. Grabbing the pinning tray. And there we go. Now with these we need an Allen key. shackle out. Then we need the screwdriver. There it is. So all locked up again because of the spring. Will all that work on there? Just. Looks like yet again we have 6 chambers but only pinned for 5. Turn that to there. Lovely gloopy grease everywhere. Oh, loads of it. Then we have a standard. Standard, 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 standard. A little bit of countersinking on the core. That is the front, and we have a spool and a standard, and a spool and a standard, and finally another spool. So nothing too taxing there, but we do have a short spool, a medium spool, and the spools are tapered. So let's get this up here. Hopefully we can see that. There we go, you can actually see it far better on this final spool. The fact they are tapered. If you'll focus. So anyway, there we go, the Yale 851. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.